Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the second video about Jmol. So in the previous video we talked about how to install Jmol, how to download it, and how to load a molecule in it, visualize it, its different scans, and then how to save an image, how to change the background. All these steps were in the previous video. In this one, we're going to move on to the frequency analysis. So for example, um, I have a file which has the frequency analysis. If you look, it has the frequencies in it, and for it was run using Gaussian. So if I load this file into Jmol, you will see the molecule here. And to visualize its frequencies, I need to go to the tool and then vibrate, and I can start vibration and go on to the next ones. But to see it in a graphical way, I can just come to the atom set chooser and it will show me the calculation and its frequencies. And you see that it started vibrating the first one. And if I want to see the next vibration, I can simply click, sorry, I can click next, and you'll see that this is mode number 3, and then next 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how I can move through all the frequencies and see their vibrations, their animations. And here are some settings as well. If I want to set, like, I can set the radius of the vector to see the direction of the frequency movement. And then I can set its amplitude, I can set its scaling, and then slow it down or fast. So you can set all these things from here and see the detailed information about the frequencies in this window. So that was about the frequencies and frequency calculation and their visualization in detail. And if I just stop it, close it. So I'll tell you a little bit about measuring bond lengths as well in this video. So if we click this button here, I click atoms to measure distances, and if I, let's say, click this atom and this atom, so you'll see the distance between them is 2.1 angstrom. It shows it here as well as a table. If I want to measure the carbon hydrogen bond distance, that's here 1.09 angstrom, and I can do it for the other ones and the other ones as well. So that is how you can also measure the bond distances of between different atoms in a molecule. And yeah, so here you can also select atoms with this button, and then with this one you can select an atom to center the molecule on it, which is might be useful for someone and not for the others. So I center it according to the carbon. So if you center it by some atom, if you move it, that atom remains on the center and the rest of the molecule moves. So yeah, that is done by this button over here. And now if we want to save this image, if I go to export image and save it, you'll see that here it is. It has the bond lengths and that we made on it as well. So if you want that, you can also save it as an image with this method. So that was all about the frequencies, measuring bond lengths, and saving their data. And I'll be back in the next video with some more useful tips to use Jmol as a free software tool for visualization and saving different data from it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.